a lot of possibility for giving world-class service to people through automated process. Now, I was doing that through, selecting multiple people here. The goal will be include that as that letter friend as an action on a routine. So whenever you start a routine on a person, maybe the seller, that it could then notify the letter friend people to send a handwritten note automatically to your seller at the point that you close or whatever, or buyer, whatever. So some options there. Should you be writing them yourselves? Absolutely, you should be. But some people are just too busy, and don't do it consistently. And if you can't do it consistently, let other people do it. That's the thing is not that you can't do it, and not that you shouldn't be doing it. You should. But if you are just taxed with time and can't take the time to handwrite the messages yourself, this is an option.